Please, no, I'm not going to have interruptions at this time. This is question time, Sharma Sahab. You've had your say in the morning. You've had your say in the morning. You got ample opportunity. Please go back to your places. Do you have any more supplementaries? No. I go to the next.
My supplementary on 181.
Please ask.
सर, पोलावरम के ऊपर जो सवाल है, मैं चाहता हूं सरकार जो वहां के लोग हैं, उड़ीसा के ट्राइबल लोग, छत्तीसगढ़ के ट्राइबल लोग, और उनको सबको सुना जाए और ट्राइबल का इंटरेस्ट को देखते हुए जब तक ट्राइबल लोगों की सहमति पूरी नहीं होती, उड़ीसा छत्तीसगढ़ के लोगों की चर्चा नहीं होती, तब तक
आप सवाल पूछिए.
There will be no पोलावरम.
Please ask question.
पोलावरम बंद किया जाए जब तक उनको न सुनाई किया जाए.
But what is your question?
Question is whether the government will give a public hearing in Odisha, the tribal, and Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Whether the state government will discuss with the state government, and whether the height will be remained to 150.
Okay.
आंध्र प्रदेश सरकार के रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक उस एरिया में लैंड एक्विजिशन एक्ट 1894 के तहत लोगों को कंपेंसेशन मिल चुका है, क्योंकि काम होने में बाकी है, इसलिए वो लोग बसे हुए हैं और रिसेंट 2013 के एक्ट के हिसाब से वो कंपेंसेशन मांग रहे हैं. ये अभी विचाराधीन है और ये विचार हो चुका है, इसलिए ये नया सिरे से विचार नहीं हो सकता है.
श्री बासुदेव पाटिल.
को लेकर उनकी कुछ धारणाएं हैं पोलावरम के बारे में. मैं माननीय अध्यक्ष जी आपके द्वारा मंत्री जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, जो कई दिन से आपके उड़ीसा राज्य में एजुकेशन हो रहा है, एक बार वहां के प्रतिनिधियों को बुलाकर उनके साथ बात करके प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करे, ये मेरी प्रार्थना है माननीय सरकार से.
पोलावरम का पानी छत्तीसगढ़ और उड़ीसा में कोई नुकसान ना करे, इसके लिए एम्बांकमेंट बनाने के लिए वहाँ के आंध्र प्रदेश सरकार विचार कर रहा है और वाटर रिसोर्स मिनिस्टर दोनों मुख्यमंत्री को मिल के बात करके इसका समाधान करने के लिए सुझाव दे चुके हैं.
ठीक है. प्यारी मोहन महापात्रा.
Which is causing all the trouble in both Telangana, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Will the minister or will the government please consider reducing the dam height to 150 from 180?
सर, ये मेरा विभाग का नहीं है, अलग से प्रश्न अगर पूछेंगे तो इसके बारे में उत्तर दे सकते हैं.
Thank you. Question 182.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I, through your medium, want to ask the Minister for Labour and Development to give us the details about the employees state insurance corporations setting up establishment in Aurangabad in Maharashtra for all medical facilities to working classes in the organized sector as well as for the unorganized sector to be available. B, whether the government has some plan to provide such centers in some other districts of Maharashtra, and also the names of the districts to be selected for the
Thank you.
and the lifetime.
Thank you. Thank you.
Particularly in Maharashtra, they are 22 lakhs 51,860 IB
hospitals are there, and among which there are 13 hospitals. There are 13 hospitals, and the state executive committee, that is, we are from the state executive committee. The state executive committee, now they are executing all their works. And regarding the Maharashtra, about the ESI coverage, we have extended 23 lakh 51,860 IPs are there. There are 13 hospitals, and among which now the extension has to be given. Many more hospitals to be covered. We have formed a state executive committee, and the Maharashtra government also has agreed to implement the state executive committee implementation and to extend the coverage. But we want to have the state executive committee. There are some problems about the takeover of the and now another more hospitals. And regarding the present ESI scheme, we have implemented in 22 districts, and other districts also we are planned in phased manner. That is to be depend on the state executive committee. If state executive committee is not formed, then the ESI corporation has to think about it.
Second supplementary, please.
The minister has given 22 districts as the listed districts where the ESI scheme is being implemented. Now the question is that what about the remaining districts in Maharashtra, whether the government has any proposal for extending ESI facilities to the remaining districts in Maharashtra.
Regarding the, already I told sir that there are some issues regarding the Maharashtra government and ESI corporation, and the issues are not yet resolved. Again, we are sitting with the Maharashtra government and we are examining to the wherever the facility is extended, and all the benefits which have to be covered under the IPs, that should be taken care of, sir. But we are planning to extend all the districts, remaining whatever the districts are available, the districts also we are.
Please don't come into the well.
Remaining districts also we are.
Please don't do this. Don't do this. Please don't come into the well. House is adjourned till 2 p.m.